What if I told you it's not your shampoo that's causing you the hair fall, but it's your blood that's starving your roots? A lot of times I have patients who come to me with generalized hair loss, hair thinning. They just say, Doctor, my ponytail feels lighter. There is just no glow on my face. My dark circles have become so prominent. My nails are so brittle, they keep breaking all the time. And I can't quite put my finger as to what is wrong. If this is something that you resonate with, today's video is for you. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. So today I had a patient walk into my clinic saying, Doctor, I've changed 3 shampoos, I've done PRPs, I've taken biotins, मैंने बहुत सारे expensive serums भी लगा के देख लिए, but my hair does not seem to stop falling. Having said that, I looked at her tongue, her face, her hair, and there was only one question that I wanted to ask her. How heavy have your periods been lately? She looked at me thinking I'm dismissing her and probably just trying to change the topic, but sometimes we can sense iron deficiency before your blood reports can. Just by looking at your nails, just looking at your eyes, your skin in general, and also your hair. So today we're going to speak about a topic that's not spoken so often but is so commonly seen in Indian patients, that is iron deficiency. This happens more often than you think. You feel tired, you blame work, then your skin looks dull, we blame stress, then your dark circles stay, or you buy yet another eye cream. Your nails keep breaking, they become brittle, अच्छे नहीं लगते, so what do? We go and get a gel manicure. अगर hair thin हो जाते हैं, we keep changing our shampoos, everything gets blamed, but the real reason. Maybe the problem is not on your skin, it is inside your body, and we are just not talking enough about that. Iron deficiency. And here's the twist. This is where we get misled most of the times because your hemoglobin could be absolutely normal and your iron levels are just not optimum. And this is where the whole world gets misled. Most people think of iron deficiency and they correlate it with anemia, tiredness, weakness, feeling fatigued, and just overall dullness. But iron does much more than that. It provides oxygen to our cells. And now when it comes to deficiencies, our body hits survival mode. Now, if you say हमें किसी भी चीज़ की deficiency हो गई है, when we say your heart, we know it's important. We say your brain, very important. So when it comes to hair, skin, glow, body says survival first, glow later, and that's where we take a hit. And suddenly you see hair fall starts, dark circles deepen, glow is all lost, and you're feeling tired and fatigued. Face and your nails, they start looking pale. Your nail bed feels very weak. You may feel some vertical ridges in your nails as well. And this is your body screaming that you're in survival mode because you are underfueled. This is why I say dermatology is a bit like being a detective. When a patient walks into my clinic and says, Doc, I've got hair fall, I'm not just looking at your scalp. I'm pretty much scanning your whole body for clues as to why is it that you're getting this hair fall. Now, in this case, let's understand what are the various signs that you experience when you have iron deficiency. हमारे skin में क्या दिखाई देता है, हमारे hair में क्या दिखाई देता है, हमारे oral mucosa में क्या दिखाई देता है, हमारे nails में क्या दिखाई देता है, and overall, what are the signals that your body is trying to give you towards iron deficiency, and what are the tests that you are going to do to get detected. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video because we are going to give you the exact lab test that you need to do to get yourself diagnosed for iron deficiency and get treated for the same. Let's start with the nails. Now your nails are like these little report cards that we have जो हमें बहुत insignificant लगता है, but if at all you experience frequent nail breaking, nails break हो जाते हैं, brittle लगते हैं, ridges आ जाते हैं, vertical lines दिखाई देती हैं हमें हमारे nails के अंदर. आप देखेंगे तो बहुत peeling होने लगती है around your nails. Overall your hands start to feel very dry and lusterless. And हम क्या करते हैं? We are quickly going to go for a nice manicure. We're going to tell them to apply some moisturizers on our skin, cuticle oil लगा दो, gel extensions कर दो, overlays कर दो, and we hide the actual problem underneath. So luxury manicures are actually hiding your iron deficiency and it goes ignored for a very long time because नीचे क्या हो रहा होता है हमें समझ में ही नहीं आता. In iron deficiency, there's a spoon-shaped deformity that your nails get. So the nail gets concave in the center, which looks like a spoon. There's a depression in the center of the nail, और इस condition को बोलते हैं koilonychia. So if at all you experience something like this, please don't rush in for another manicure. Wait. Let your nails breathe, and if at all you think it's not getting corrected, please make sure that you go see a doctor. Now moving on to hair, तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी ponytail पतली होती जा रही है. Your hair is becoming diffusely thin. ऐसा कोई particular patch नहीं है where you can say that doc यहाँ पे I've lost है. Overall you feel that your hair has become thinner. So that's because your hair is entering the resting phase. It is underfueled. It may feel dry, brittle, lifeless. A lot of times you may feel that your hair color is also changing. छोटे छोटे बेबी हेयर जो दिखाई देते हैं they just don't grow. Your hair reaches a certain length and then you say doc ये तो बढ़ ही नहीं रहे हैं. I want to go for a haircut. My hair feels dull and dry but it's not growing in length, and that's one sign that may point out towards being iron deficient. अब बात करें skin की, so this is where you get very frustrated because you're doing everything by the book. You're doing your regular hydrofacials, applying your sunscreen, all the luxury serums of the world, but the skin seems to look dull, dry, and just lackluster. You just look exhausted. There's a tired, fatigued look on your face. Your dark circles seem more apparent. You cannot just hide them with any concealers in the world, and you are absolutely frustrated because anyone who meets you has only one question to ask: क्या हो गया? One very common yet strange symptom of iron deficiency is a craving for eating something which is not food. Now, it's a condition called pica, जिसमें patient को एक क्रेविंग होती है आइस क्यूब्स खाने की, मिट्टी खाने की, चौक खाने की, इन सम केसेस पेपर खाने की, एंड नो क्ले, गीली मिट्टी की खुशबू बहुत पसंद आना, एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स इट्स कॉल्ड पाइका एंड इट्स अ वेरी बिग रेड फ्लैग वेयर यू मे बी सफरिंग फ्रॉम आयरन डेफिशिएंसी एंड यू नीड टू गेट दैट वर्क्ड. अब हम बात करेंगे म्यूकोजा की. म्यूकोजा में कुछ हमें साइंस ऐसे दिखते हैं जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेसिक हैं बट दे हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नेम्स. नाउ यू सी योर कंजंक्टिवा. अगर हम अपनी आईलिड को नीचे पुल करके देखेंगे, यूजुअली इट शुड बी पिंक एंड हेल्दी, बट व्हेन यू आर अनीमिक, व्हेन यू हैव आयरन डेफिशिएंसी, दिस विल लुक पेल. इसको बोलते हैं conjunctival pallor. Now lips के आसपास you will feel the angles of your mouth will start cracking. That's called angular cheilitis. हमें लगता है dryness से we start lip licking. Now your tongue becomes very shiny and smooth. अचानक से पेशेंट बोलेगा whatever that I eat, doctor, I feel a burning sensation in my mouth. It's called atrophic glossitis. Any one of these conditions, if at all you think there's anyone you know or probably you're suffering yourself, please go and get yourself tested for iron deficiency. Now the most obvious question, doctor ये होता क्यों है? The most common reason is poor dietary intake. Another reason could be heavy menstrual periods. Sometimes it could be just poor gut absorption. And India में another very common reason is our favorite chai. खाने के बाद वाली चाय, खाने के पहले वाली चाय. When we're having tea, coffee with our meals, after our meals, it interferes with iron absorption, eventually leading to iron deficiency. So हमें लगता है कि हम nutrient rich खाना खा रहे हैं, मेरी diet तो बिल्कुल proper है, but if at all you're making these small mistakes immediately after your food, that's going to interfere with your iron absorption. And that's when my patients come to me saying, doctor, but मेरी रिपोर्ट तो बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है, बट व्हाट डिड वी चेक इन द रिपोर्ट रियली? जस्ट आवर हीमोग्लोबिन, एंड आवर हीमोग्लोबिन इज नॉट something which is a parameter for my iron stores or my iron reserves. I need to check my serum ferritin levels, and when my serum ferritin levels are low, much before anemia sets in, hair fall would already have started. It is to ask, why is this happening in the first place? So we need to do clinical examination. I need to understand your diet history, your menstrual history, your gut health assessment, your sleep and stress review, and now your blood tests. These include your CBC, your serum ferritin, iron profile, vitamin B12, vitamin D, thyroid markers when needed, because treatment without diagnosis is just expensive guessing, and healing without strategy is guessing again. अब बात हो गई problem की, so moving on to the solution. And no, the solution is not blindly taking iron supplements. First we need to fix our diet. So diet में क्या add कर सकते हैं? You can add jaggery, dates, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, lentils, green leafy vegetables, जिन्हें हमें एक regular basis पे खाने की आदत डालनी है. अब इसमें अगर हम add कर देंगे lemon, amla, citrus fruits, anything vitamin C basically, so that will enhance the absorption. और blockers से दूर रहना है. Blockers क्या है? Tea, coffee. If at all you are iron deficient, make sure that you avoid black coffee on an empty stomach. खाने के immediately पहले या बाद में चाय नहीं पीना है. And fourth is watch out for your gut health. If you're constantly constipated and you're feeling any discomfort in digestion, make sure that you bring that to your doctor's notice, because that could be a sign of poor absorption. So next time when your body gives you a signal of hair fall, dull skin, fatigue, brittle nails, overall weakness, don't just rush in for another manicure or a hair spa or just buy another luxurious serum. Make sure you see your doctor, run a couple of blood tests, get your medications and be treated inside out, because asli glow actually andar se aata hai. Thank you for watching today's video. If this resonated with you and if you think this can help somebody you love, please make sure that you like, share and subscribe. We'll keep coming back with more such content.